Here we have a beautiful 2008 Scion XB handicap wheelchair conversion by Freedom Motors. It is a rear entry wheelchair handicap conversion. Awesome little car, 72,000 original miles. Very nice condition, inside and out. Clean Carfax, clean title. Awesome setup, great on gas. Awesome rear entry. It is a manual operating lift. It will never fail on you. Super easy to use. I'm going to show you how everything works and operates. Gorgeous blue-green color on the exterior. 72,000 original miles. Very, very nice little car. It's a great option if you're looking for a handicap wheelchair vehicle. Super, super nice and clean. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. Happy to help at any time. Tires are almost new. I would say they're better than 70%. Very, very nice condition. Rear entry. Awesome amount of clearance coming in the back here. I believe it's almost 60 inches. About 58 inches, I believe, which is awesome for getting in and out. A standard handicap van has 48 inches. Got your tie downs in the floor. That's your spare tire there. A really easy setup. The good part about this, it's a manual setup. Unbelievably easy to use. I'm going to run you through everything on this vehicle. It also has the hard floor. It is a Freedom conversion. It's all done and certified exactly the way it's supposed to be. Nice setup. Got all 4 doors too, so if you put somebody in with the wheelchair, you can tie them down. You don't have to worry about maneuvering around inside there. Awesome, awesome little setup. 72,000 original miles. It is a pretty low mileage vehicle. 2008 Scion, great on gas, no warning lights on the dash, 72,642 on the miles. Super cool little vehicle. Very clean. Nice black interior, power package. It's very, very nice little vehicle. Nice little wheels and tires. Like I said, tires are better than 70%. Super, super nice. Don't hesitate to give us a call at any time. We are happy to help. Ask for Jeff or Ken at Supreme Motors, 954-561-2499. You can call or text us to that number. You can visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Little 08 Scion XB, 72,000 original miles. Let me show you how the wheelchair ramp operates. There's really no weight limit on this, so you could take anybody. You just pull this and it's almost effortless. You use the handle, put it in place, and you close the door and you're done. Super easy. And you don't need to be a bodybuilder to use the wheelchair ramp. You literally put your hand here and it almost comes out by itself. Lay it down on the ground and you're done. Super easy setup. Ask for Jeff or Ken at Supreme Motors, 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. Call or text us. You can visit us on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Give us a like, give us a follow. When we reach 10,000 subscribers across all platforms, we are going to give away a mobility vehicle to a lucky customer. We don't know who that is yet, but we will get there when we get to 10,000 subscribers. Overall, the vehicle is very nice. There's a couple little dings on the hood. One little ding in the quarter back here. I mean, the size of a dime right here. Overall, the paint shows very nicely. Almost flawless for a 2008. It is very, very nice. You would not be disappointed at all. We've been in business 46 years. We have no bad reviews anywhere. Only positive 5-star reviews. We're happy to help you at any time. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors USA. SupremeMotorsUSA.com. SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Supreme Motors Boca Raton, Florida. Thank you.